Hello and welcome to my e-lesson, and in this video I'll tell you how you can count cells which have duplicate values across two columns. Like we have the names of products over here and the sales for these products for January and February. We want to find out now how many products got same number of sales in January and February. Like product 2 got 33 sales in January and 33 sales in February. Similarly, product 6 got 67 sales in January and 67 sales in February. All right. So we are trying to find two cells which have the same values in two columns. Well, this can be done in multiple ways. The easiest way to do is something which I will teach you now is with this sum product formula, which is an array formula but can be applied super easily. All right. To practice along, you can go to myelesson.org and in the download section, download this file to practice along. All right. You can pause the video now and download it. Now, if you see, I have applied the formula over here. It says sum product bracket and what is this? Two minus symbols and then this row is equal to this row. And I'm getting the answer. Now, how come this is working? Let me show you. Now, I first applied for you is equal to sum product, which says returns the sum of the products of corresponding ranges or arrays. So it will return the sum of those cells which have similar values in these two columns. All right, that's what it's going to do. Now I will put two minus symbols. I'll just tell you why. But before that, I will open the bracket again and then type in, then select this range, type in is equal to, and then select this range. So now I am closing the brackets and I'm telling sum product formula to go ahead and first of all find how many cells are equal to each other. And I'm asking this sum formula and I'm asking this sum product formula to go ahead and match each cell with the corresponding cell in the next column. And if you find cells which have same values across the columns next to each other, then only count them. All right. And now I am pressing enter and I get the answer as 2. Now if I make this also 65, I get the answer as 3. See? If I make this as 38, this is 4. Now, if I go to evaluate formula, what will happen? See, this is important for you to understand. I go to formulas, I select the cell, I go to evaluate formula, and here is my formula that I wrote, correct? I click on evaluate. Now, after the minus, wherein I had selected this range is equal to this range, this one, it says false, true, false, true, false, true, correct? Wherever it finds the values to be same across two cells, then it is true. Now, to get these trues and false converted into ones and zeros, I used these two minus symbols. All right, so that is the logic of having these two minus symbols. These two minus symbols will convert the trues and the false into ones and zeros, and the ones will be added and we will get the answer as 1, 2, 3, 4, which is it, 4. Well, I hope you have liked this video. If you have, then please click on the like symbol and like these 216,000 subscribers who have subscribed to my channel to be notified whenever there is a video. Maybe you would also like to be notified. So why don't you subscribe to the channel and do share it with your friends so they can also be benefited from it. So until the next video, this is your Guru now signing off for the day. Have a wonderful day ahead. Happy learning.